because it's going to be pretty hot this weekend, and we have a chance of some thunderstorms selective over the easternmost portion of our region. I'll show you that on First Alert Future Scan in a couple. Saturday morning, that's the timeline for those thunderstorms. That's why it's an impact, though, mainly because of the heat and humidity that are out there. It's going to be hot and humid on Saturday afternoon and on Sunday afternoon. It gets even hotter with the heat index at least at 105 for most of us, possibly as high as 108 on that scale. High temperatures, let's just talk temps before we start to factor in the humidity. 91 in Kansas City. Also look at the warm air coming in from the south. That's also moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, which is why the humidities will rise. Manhattan 97, 103 for Wichita. And as mentioned, we have some cloudiness and the better chances for rain and thunderstorms from Kirksville all the way down towards St. Louis, but it could be as far west as Columbia or even as far west as Marshall, just of the better chances for those thunderstorms setting up. On Sunday, though, it's a clean slate as far as the rain is concerned. And look at the heat building out over Kansas. 100 plus Manhattan out toward Hays, 90 for Kansas City, actually 96 will be the high. And even the areas that will not be as stifling out east will also get back into the 90s. So here's a look with our City View cameras. We're going to talk about what we have going on right now. 75 degrees. Have some clouds right now. They will thin out a little bit before midnight, but then thicken up as we head into dawn. It'll be partly cloudy and 72, and then we have that chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Otherwise, it'll be humid and hot, and that's why it's an impact day, one of three that we've talked about. Exclusive First Alert 9-day forecast just to show you the first of all, the pattern which will be changing. 72 to 91 degrees, impact day on Saturday, Sunday as well. But I do want to show that things start to cool down a little bit into Thursday and Friday, heading into the holiday weekend, back into the 80s, like the low 80s of that, and almost even the 60s for the morning temperatures on Saturday and Sunday. That'll be much cooler. But as mentioned, we do have some hot stuff coming in here and a chance of some thunderstorms. Here it is on First Alert Future Scan. 6 or 7 in the morning, spotty showers a possibility. Meteorologist Nick Bender will be here. He'll probably predict also this stuff out of here by noon, and things start to clear out, and that's when we start to heat up. On Sunday, though, that's going to be the hottest, at least until you get toward Monday. And the peak heat index readings there will be 103 for Leavenworth, 103 also for Atchison City, 110 for Maryville up toward Tarkio, 100 down toward Butler. And as I mentioned, areas that could be spared coming in on Saturday will start to heat up once again. Chillicothe, 101, and also Marshall about the same. So things are going to stay hot for a while, but by next weekend, as you just saw with the 9-day, we cooled down quite a bit with below normal temperatures. So keep it in mind like this. Storms to the east, mainly on Saturday morning. Some could have some gusty winds. Hot and humid into next week, but not lasting all week. So by the weekend, we cool back down right in time for Labor Day.